Can you believe it? If it don't rain, got some nasty clouds right now, but we're going to the cave to visit Edmond Dantes for the first time in 2016. Stand by. Mumbles man, he's got honeydew, he can't make it. I see a head popping up over there. Somebody's already at the cave. Turkey, I know it is. Look at this, I believe we got steps too. Yes sir, already got 1.5. The real guru is at the cave today. Well, the report is bleak from the gurus, the real guru. But the water's nice, it ain't too cold. I got shorts on, but compression shorts, you know, Under Armour. I hear something right here. 12:02. 12:05. Stand by, let's see what that is. It looks like a travel token. You know, them old bus things you got when you rode the bus? Find a lot of these here. Yeah, that's what it is, look. Travel token. That ain't bad. I'll take that for the first target. First spin of 2016. Stand by, let's keep going. Got a cruddy penny and a shrimp that time. Another nice target right here by these rocks. First scoopo too, I like it. Looks like another cruddy penny to me. Guru said he dug about 10 pennies here, but they're all new ones. I ain't found anything but 2 cruddy ones. I think the tide's low in about an hour. We're not going to get much low tide because it's a +3, the moon's full, you know. Won't get low. Damn, 12:08. Stand by, let's see what that is. I like 12:08 sometimes. One scooper. Come out of there, baby. I don't see nothing looks like a 12:08. I don't see nothing looks like a 12 at all. I do see crapos, all I see. You see anything in there? I don't see nothing in there. Something's in there, makes a 12:08. Stand by a minute. Well, there it is, a minute piece of aluminum. Another big old shrimp. Damn, I'll bring me a cooler. I can tell you it ain't that hot. So Bowser, he said, I don't like the water. The hell with it. We got our first quarter. I don't think it's silver. We got us a toad ring. It's roundup. The token's probably the best of it. See what tomorrow looks like. Stand by. Good luck to everybody. Maybe the Mumbles man can go today. I got a report from Beaver. I'll add it to the back. It was bleak for him. And the real guru, so you already know he said it was bleak. Okay, I'll get back to you.